G'day ladies and gentlemen here at Gates. Right, I'm going to take you through a bit of a run through the perpetual contracts here, as it is for me 9 p.m. in my time zone. I want to point out a few things I'm looking at here. Bitcoin, yes, it did have a run yesterday, a nice run, not a massive run, a couple of percent. Broke the higher high here, pushed on. I want to see a big day from Bitcoin. I want to see us get through 12,000 ultimately. We need to see this push. We need to see it push through. We need to get a bit of corporate FOMO. We've never seen corporate FOMO in our space. And what's that going to do for us as individual traders? It's going to make our life a heck of a lot easier. We've pushed on through. It looks really good. When I drop to the 8, I do have a trend. When I drop to the 1, it got a little messy up here. I want to see it push through and then pullbacks just like we saw back here. Look, push up, pull back. Here's a little cradle candle, and there's our profit. From Bitcoin, we're going to move to Ethereum, and I want to focus on the bigger market caps right now. We're going to look at the Ethereum, not the 1, but on the 8. We are sitting in the cradle zone right there, right now. If you look at the daily, look, higher low, higher low, bullish candle in that cradle zone. I'm seeing a run to 400 and beyond. It's just a matter of trying to get positioned for that. And if we're going to find that on the 1 hour, not at the moment. Lower high, lower low. So from Ethereum, let's go to a uni. I just want to work some of these more liquid contracts where we can get the liquidity to take the trade sizes that we wish to do. And I'm looking for long or short. Uni, there's no real strong trend here. I'll move straight past that. Bitcoin Cash. Look, it's been on my radar for a while now. I'll show you why. That little higher low here, higher high, pull back, bullish candle in the cradle zone. This is the strategy that I'm teaching on this 4-part series. A link will be on this post for you to get involved. And also the recording is available as well. It's holding back a little bit. I mean, I can't help but notice that Bitcoin Cash is just struggling a little bit. It's not really what I'm after, I got to say it. And look, at the end of the day, my objective here is to make you the best trader you can be. If we don't have good trends like this is no good. Then I'm not going to tell you to trade, not going to tell you to look at something where there's nothing to look at. Right now it's Bitcoin Cash, it's Ethereum. When we look at Link USDT, the 8 hour here, again, higher low, we need that higher high. I need to see some follow through for me to really get involved. What's it called? Yield farm or whatever it's called. Again, very sideways. I'm not interested. Let's be very clear on what we're looking for. You know, I'm not just looking for something that I can click the button and buy and sell. I'm looking for high probability outcomes, and that's what I teach. Sushi, it's been very quiet for a long time. Let's hit Atom. Atom right now. Okay, so we got a higher, a little pullback here. I want to see it follow through. Let's hit the 8. Yeah, so here's the potential for something like Atom. This here could potentially be a higher low. Now, what that needs to give me is a higher high. So to break through the high here of $5.77, that would give me an uptrend, and that could, I mean, look, for me here in Australia, it's 9:05 p.m. I can go to bed happily knowing that tomorrow morning it will either give me opportunity or it won't. Now, if you're in the northern hemispheres, then perhaps you'll get to see it, exercise that higher low and higher high. For me right now, it's not on my radar at all. CRV, what do we got here? Oh, there's not enough data. It's really not going on too much there. And look, some days there's loads to do. Some days there's not. EOS does not tickle my fancy in the slightest. It's just, there's nothing directional there at all. And you've got to remember how I read a chart. Now, BSV I know is crap. Look at this. Look at that. What am I meant to do with that? I need flow. I need trend. I need structure. And I need to tick the boxes of my trading strategies. And you've got part 1 and part 2. Part 3 next week, Monday. 6 p.m. Australian Eastern Daytime. Register for the webinar on the link below and you'll get access to that, but there's nothing there on BSV right now. Look, honestly, BSV's been a bit of a dead dog for the greater part of the year. Coming now into Tezos. Again, very little going on there. Let's just skip straight past because this is how we scan. We go to markets, we find opportunity, or we don't. And if we don't see trend, we move straight on. And DOT is in that same boat. Don't forget, my job is not to tell you to trade. My job is to find opportunity based on the teachings that I present. Now, I will tell you this. I got long here on that candle as it broke the high. And you'll learn that cradle. Now, I've been stopped out. I've lost money on this trade. And you might be going, well, he just told us he lost money. Yeah, because that's what happens. Traders have winners and we have losers. I got no issue with telling him a stop outs. And in actual fact, I've had 3 stop outs in a row while the market's been in a bit of a choppy, not so cyclicity range. Sorry, not range. The market's not been strong. And it's during conditions like that. I mean, I could have taken 10 trades during that period. I took 3. And all 3 have been stopped out. So I need to go back to my trading plan. I need to assess what I've been doing. I'm very happy with how I've been trading. It's just sometimes things don't go in your favor. You don't beat yourself up over it, guys. You get on with it. I have losing trades. The beauty of it is that I have a lot more winners in terms of profits than I do losers. But yeah, I've had 3 losers in a row. I'm not interested here. The pullback into $1 I was considering, but now, no, thank you very much. Oh, so Litecoin, here we are. Trend-wise, daily, it's got more work to do. So again, Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, the 2 major players that I am interested in. Now, I know how this market looks. We look at XRP, we did see a bit of a bounce today. Now, I don't know what caused it, but it shot up. Bish! There it is. It's come straight back off, and there's nothing there for me once again. So you can trust me here. I'm not just telling you to trade. I'm finding with you the best options. Dash had a really good day. Let's just have a look at Dash. Look at that 8 hour. Shoom, straight up. Look at the daily. Fantastic move on Dash. There's nothing there, though, for me at this moment in time. Let me be honest. My focus at the moment, I can show you all these charts, but I can just go straight here. My focus right now is Bitcoin. All right, let me give you the plan for Bitcoin. Let me just blow this up because I know what the charts look like. I've already been through them. My objective is to point you in the right direction, okay, to educate you through the Gate Exchange platform, bringing me on board to teach you how to trade, okay? That's the bottom line. Tomorrow, 6 p.m. Australian Eastern Daytime, I shall be doing a live scan. Higher low, higher high, so higher high here, higher low, higher high. This is the market I'm looking at. Bitcoin is the market that I am interested in right now, and I'll show you why. The trend, the cyclicity is there. Look at what we're holding here. Now, if we were to pull back into, say, somewhere around here, I'd be keen. But more importantly, as I move to the lower time frames, here's what I want to see, ladies and gentlemen. We have a higher low, so higher low here, and a higher low here. I want to see, as price is doing at the moment, push on through this high. Give me a higher high, and I'll buy pullbacks. That is my objective right now. It's to buy pullbacks on Bitcoin with good cyclicity. So this pullback was a bit deep. The next one, I want to buy the next pullback. I am waiting, I am structured, I have rules, and I suggest that you do too. Guys, it's been a period of time where we've had to sit in our hands a little bit. Good traders have been keeping their hands molten. Because at the end of the day, we can all make money when the market goes in one direction, especially up. It's being patient and waiting for the opportunity that divides the experts from the beginners. And the reason that I'm here with Gate is to help you become an expert. And I hate the word expert. To be honest, it's to help you to become a better trader, the best you can be. Guys, I'll be back again tomorrow with that scan, but I'm watching Bitcoin, and that's the only market I'm truly watching. Lower time frame pullbacks, give me that. We've got liquidity in this market, of course, it is Bitcoin. I want cradles, I want pullbacks into those moving averages. I hope you have a fantastic evening. Call your mates, Make sure they're okay. And if you're not okay, well, then make sure you reach out. Have a fantastic night. Bye for now.